I think emerging skills is something we've all got to be mindful of. Different skills, different technologies being brought in, and that's something we're very, very focused on in the Inspiring Skills Excellence project through our Skills Competition Wales, embedding those skills into existing competitions, and more importantly, got an eye on the ball for what's coming next.
So within the electrical competition, we're trying to keep in line with the green agenda. What can be done with smart home to make your house more efficient, car chargers, EV.
Da ni'n gorau paratoi myfyrwyr i'r byd sydd yn dod yn ei flaen ni. Mae technoleg yn symud yn ei flaen na'n andros o gyflym. Heb i'r myfyrwyr bod yn barod am beth sy'n dod y gornel, fydd yna problemau yn diwydiant yn ei gorau bod yn siŵr da ni yna.
We are keen on bringing sustainable green energy sort of usages into our trade area. This is something that we're looking forward to for the future. Planning now for next year's events, either condensing the job into a smaller job or a bigger scale job on one board, so there's less materials being used.
Regarding the green development and the net zero development, I think industry partners are ever so important in this area.
The paint that we bring in potentially be sort of sustainability, eco-friendly paints, into recycling, reduce, reuse schemes, crown paints, brewers, Rabat. They all do the schemes where, once you finish a tin of paint, dry wipe them back out, give them back to companies and they recycle them for you. So it's bringing those sort of elements into our sort of day-to-day jobs as well as skill competition wheels.
So sustainability and green skills is now an integral part of any college. So we feed that through to our competitors as well, and as part of their training, they are trained how to use their products sustainably and how to incorporate that within their competition skills that they are practicing.
I think it's quite important we focus on the new emerging technologies that are coming into construction, and we embed them into our challenges, our tasks, fetching and challenging our competitors or educators.
There's a growing industry in wind turbines and green energy. So these might not be exactly wind turbines, but they're the machines that you'll be producing parts for the wind turbines on. So if the industry wants to grow in areas, then you need the manufacturing base there to feed into it. And we're always looking at sustainable ways of machining. So there's marks on the mark scheme. If they use an extra piece of material, obviously that's not as sustainable, so they get marked down for use of material as well.
We're looking at some new competitions in retrofit, land-based, and amongst others as well. So please keep your eye on what's coming in the future, and I'm sure we'll have something that will interest anybody.